Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to find jobs on LinkedIn. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up LinkedIn app. Make sure you have already downloaded LinkedIn app and sign in with your account. So here how you can get job. Now go to the job icon that is located on bottom right corner. Now it will show you job vacancies. Associate Java developer vacancy has been opened. Software engineer, Java developer, ETL developer. Now how can you apply on this position? Simply tap on it. And here you will be navigated to this interface. So how can you apply? Simply tap on easy apply. Now here you need to enter your first name, last name, your country code, your phone number, your address, and then upload your photo and then tap on next. In this way they will get your application and then they will call you back on your phone number. So in this way you can apply for jobs on LinkedIn app. Is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.